going on, y'all? It's your boy J Pigs. You know what it is. We got a very special day today. We got your boy Damian Lillard, Dame Mother Effing Dollar. He's in town tonight. We're about to go to the game. We got the Bucks versus the Blazers tonight. We're gonna be in the building. About to head to the arena. I'm trying to take some little pics right quick. You know, I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Let's go.
Run up a check with my dogs, it's really no effort at all. We do this shit all the time, but it look like flexing to y'all. Remember when we was down bad, but now it's no stressing involved. For all of the times I ain't had shit, I gotta go get it all. I gotta go get it all. I gotta go get it all. Yeah.
Got a Subaru behind me. I'm gonna see if you want to play a little bit. I'm in that sport mode. We got some Subaru. We got a BRZ, or is that a Toyota A6? We got action, baby. We got action. Shit. Oh my God, that shit just suck you back in your seat, boy. Ooh, that's serious. Something serious, for sure. So we pulling up to the game right now. Gonna get some parking right quick. Whip this left. I know they say you can't, but pulling up to the arena. Pull up to the scene. What am I selling missing? All right. So we just made it to the arena. Just found a parking spot. I don't think the door's open to, the building yet, but I might go stop by this little restaurant, see if they got something to eat real quick or grab a drink, but I'm gonna take y'all with me.
Yeah. Watch me pull up in a brand new whip. Bitch, I look like I'm the shit. No matter how hard you try, just know you can't get like this. These niggas ain't on my level, they looking like second round picks. I'm finna get in my bag, and I promise I'm not gon' miss. See, I'm just tryna live my life out how I'm supposed to, and ball on these niggas right now how I'm supposed to. Beat it up, knock a lights out how I'm supposed to. I do it better than your man can't come close to. And whenever I hit the road, I keep that thing on my side.
Now fans, here comes your trailblazer. race. Who knows? Later on, we can call your number. Join us this Saturday, February 1st, when the Phoenix Suns are in town for the annual celebration of Black History presented by Ticketmaster. A portion of the evening's proceeds benefit our nonprofit of the month, the Urban League of Work.
I hit the road, I keep that thing on my side. Always gotta keep it pole, just in case niggas won't slide. I run up a check with my dogs, it's really no effort at all. We do this shit all the time, but it look like flexing in y'all. Remember when we was down bad, but now it's no stressing involved. For all of the times I ain't had shit, I gotta go get it all. I gotta go get it all. I gotta go get it all. At the casino, we risking it all. We just gon' ball till we fall. I blew some rats at the mall. Shout out LTS, them is my dogs. Never gon' switch up on y'all. And though we ain't blood, it's still family. Whole squad strapped up with a plan me. And I just turned 23 like I'm Jordan. Nicest young nigga coming straight out of Portland. Niggas say it on me, but they not important. Always keep it 1K when I'm recording. And whenever I hit the road, I keep that thing on my side. Always gotta keep it pole, just in case niggas won't slide. I run up a check with my dogs, it's really no effort at all. We do this shit all the time, but it look like flexing on y'all.